Want to bring that head down just a little bit more. Good. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that was really big. There we go. You guys hear that one? Here we are, Bergen County Horse Rescue in Mahwah, New Jersey. This is a nonprofit 501c3 that's been around for about 8 years. This is Erin, she's the founder. We've worked together before. I think it's my 4th time here, maybe more or less, 5 times?
3rd or 4th.
3rd, 4th time. And Oscar, tell us about Oscar. Who's Oscar? How old do you think Oscar might be? And breed, anything like that?
Oscar is a quarter horse. He's probably 22. He also came from a kill pen, and he's been with us, I'm gonna say 6 years.
And if you're listening for the first time or watching the Animal Cracker channel that I have, that you're watching this on, the reason why she's vague on how many years old she is because she's not the original owner. This is a horse that was in a kill pen, getting ready for slaughter or to be auctioned off and then possibly sold to the meat men. And then you guys got word and got over to that place and outbid the meat men and were able to take the horse back to the sanctuary or farm where they could live out their lives in peace and have health care. And sometimes occasionally they get adopted out, but otherwise they have a chance to live here to the rest of their lives without being slaughtered and killed prematurely just because they're not wanted anymore. So, hi Oscar, how are you? Could I work with you today? He just nodded his head, but that wasn't really a nod. But is it okay if we work?
Yeah.
Get started? Okay. Anything going on with Oscar, like gait-wise or aches and pains that you've noticed? I mean, the horse is 20 to 22 years old.
Yeah, he does have a little arthritis in his front end.
Okay.
I don't know what it was caused from, what injuries he's had in the past prior to coming here. But he definitely has some arthritis in the legs.
Okay, so we're gonna look at the front end for sure, and we'll get started. Does he have any friends here? Did he make friends with any horses that he likes?
You know, Oscar is kind of one that will play with everybody, but he doesn't really have a best bud.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. All right, I'm up here on the pole. I'm just wiggling his neck and I'm getting his jaw to move a little bit by putting my finger inside his mouth. And I'm just doing that as a way to get him distracted a little bit, but also when they chew, they loosen up their face muscles, their neck muscles. It's kind of works a few different things at the same time. But right now, my left hand is working on his pole on the top, which is the top neck bone where it meets the base of the skull. And I feel a lot of tension up there. So he's never had his pole adjusted. Have you, Oscar? So I'm first massaging it really strong. I have really strong hands from doing this for 25 years. And so I'm up there like this, up on the pole, working on those muscles. And let me just see if I can get you one more time to get going. And in a minute, I'm gonna reach under and adjust the pole with both hands and pull it back into place. And I'm about to get him now. I just want to bring that head down just a little bit more. Good. There we go.
Ooh.
So we were able to get that to move quite a bit. You could hear that, right, Erin?
Yeah, I heard 2.
2 pops, yeah. It was like, okay, that's your pole. Look at how his head hangs down now, which is good. He got like a little sleepy, a little chewy.
Oh, he says
He
that.
just
I like
pushed
that.
me. All right, that part's done. We're gonna leave that now. But let me check your TMJ on that side. So we're gonna switch sides. Oh, sorry, you okay?
Yeah.
And up in here, right? There we go. You guys hear that one? All right, so I'm under the throat, the neck. Let's pick your head up. Okay. Nice. Okay. So I'm going to start in the chest muscles and come down to the neck into the front here. Nice. Nice. Okay. Okay, I'm going to adjust this on you in a second. Let me go straight, 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 straight. Straight, 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 straight. Good, straight. Okay, nice. It's just like my tattoo. Look at this. You see? It's like what we're doing. There we go. Okay. Okay, should we keep going? I got to get that front right now. Give it to me. Relax. Let me have it. Thank you. This is actually a stretch for a horse. Okay. But I'm going to adjust this bone right here. There we go. Okay. So I did shoulder, I did anterior humerus, I adjusted his pastern, I did his TMJ, I did his atlas. I want to check his rear end too and his saddle area, okay? Do you see how this hip is a little up? Mm-hmm. Come look from the back, you could really see how high this left hip is compared. And it's the way he's not wanting to square up a little bit. But why don't you put that foot down? Okay. I'm going to just do a little thing where I pull his tail sideways and work on his hip at the same time. And just trying to activate his back end a little bit. All right, there you go. Now, square up a little bit. All right, you want to give me that leg? There we go. Nice. Okay. There we go. Nice. All right, let's see if he squares up and puts weight on that back leg now. So we're going to walk him just a little bit. Stop right there. He doesn't like putting that leg down so much, do you? Can I just come next to you and work on your back end? So this area is high a little bit for me. So I'm going to do the sacral base posterior on the left. So it's the sacrum is in the middle and it's high on the left, and I'm going to push it straight down. Ooh, that was really big.
That was big.
The whole thing went like, dunk. It just dropped and made it pop. Huh. Okay. A little twitchy up here. Nice. There's a spot here, your rib. Okay. Okay. Yeah, nice. There's also another one here. You have the withers is T3 through T8 on a horse. Pretty much a dog too, if you want to know the truth. And but I'm going to adjust this one here. Here we go. Ready? Nice. Little tail stretch. And we're going to finish on this today, okay? Okay, good. Okay. What do you think of that? Okay? Thanks for letting me work with you today. What a nice guy, right? Hope you feel better. This is Oscar. He's a really nice guy. He's approximately 20 to 22 years old, give or take, right? And he had a tough life, but now he's loved here at this Bergen County Horse Rescue. They rescue horses and they take in surrenders. They take in horses that are being sent to slaughter. And Oscar never had a chiropractic adjustment. This is his first adjustment ever. We adjusted his neck, we adjusted his jaw, we adjusted his lower back, his sacrum. The big adjustment in the back was the sacrum. That's a workout for me, I don't know if you know, but I'm not as young as I used to be, so I feel that. I'm old like you. We're both seniors. All right, thanks everybody. Okay.